How to export database table via phpMyAdmin and cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click on the phpMyAdmin icon. On the left sidebar there are databases. Click on the database you want to export. On the top bar of this window there are different options to perform different operations on the database. Go and click on the Export button. SQL format is already selected. Now click on the Go button. Click OK to start the download of the database on your computer. You can see the downloaded file here if your browser is Firefox. In Chrome it shows in the bottom left. Now you know how to export database table to your computer. Thank you for watching.